Vision: a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission: to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant research, and sustainable extension program gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values in MANCAS: M for moral uprightness, O patriotism and nationalism, C compassion, A adaptability, S service, T teamwork. Goals: number 1, produce competent graduates. Number 2, foster strong linkages and network. Number 3, synergize human capital.